Okay, so the next test here. Test, okay, 3.4. This will cover under exercise. A 3.4 question. B1, okay, B1. Textbook. Page 59. Let's start with that. Question is saying here, solve the following linear equations by following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and also the substitution method. So let us start with the elimination method. We have done the substitution method in the last exercise. So let us start with your elimination method. So this one, question number 2, B2 I think, B1 sorry. Question B1, subheading 1. So solving by elimination method means this way, you see here, x plus y given equal to 5. And even though there is no hard and fast rule, let us keep it this way, okay? The term containing x variable be in the first term place and second place y, and then the constant number on the right side of equal sign, okay? The next one, 2x minus 3y. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So the word elimination means we have to eliminate one of these two coefficients. And the method by which we do that is equating one of them. Equating means making the coefficients of x, if we choose, or y, any one of the two equal. So how do we do that? Now for that, just tell what are the coefficients of x. Coefficient means the number in front of x. So no number means coefficient is 1. And the second equation, let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. The one in front of x is 2, so the coefficient of x in the second equation is 2. Then you find out the LCM of that. So we chose x because even though we could have chosen y, because x has a simpler numbers, lower numbers, 1 and 2 is lower than 1 and 3. Otherwise, we could also do for y also. Same answer will come out. So the LCM is 2, right? 1 and 2 LCM. So this number coefficient you take, then this you write like this. 1 here. 1, how much is this LCM 2? 1, 2s are 2, the LCM. So you write here 2 multiplies equation 1, like that you write. And so the 2 multiply equation 1 means 2 1s are 2, equal to 2 will come out. And then since we're taking x, go to the next coefficient of x and 2. So 2, how much is the LCM 2? Yes, 2 1. So since you have to multiply this 2 to 1 to get the LCM 2, take this one, like we took here 2, here 1, multiply it to equation number 2, then you will get this 2 equals C. 1, this 2, sorry, 2 1s are 2 you'll get here, and 2, here 1, then 2. Both of them will be become equal. This is called equating coefficient. So 2 will multiply all these terms in equation 1 because 2 is multiplying equation 1. So 2 1s are 2x when you multiply 2 to equation 1. We're not doing 2 yet, okay? Then plus 2 into y is 2y equal to 2 into 5 is 10. Let's put this one as 3. That is the meaning of multiplying 2 to equation 1 means 2 will multiply every term on both sides in equation 1. And you're going to multiply now, finish 1, so go to 2. 1 is going to multiply equation 2. So 1 multiply means all this will remain same. Plus 3 or minus 3y, sorry. Minus 3y equal to 1 4s are 4. Let's mark this one as equation 4. put a dash now. Now we have managed to equate the coefficients of x here, 1 and 2 to both 2 now, so they are equal. We can now eliminate. How we eliminate? You listen to this. If the equated coefficient have same sign, see, plus and plus, okay, or minus and minus. If both are minus, suppose, or if both are plus, then you do 3 minus 4, means subtract 4 from 3. 3 minus 4 or 4 minus 3, up to you. Better 3 minus 4. If they are equal and the sign like this, plus and plus, they are same, or minus and minus, you do 3 minus 4. Okay, 3 minus 4. If it is different sign, one is plus, one is minus, or one is minus and one is plus, there are different sign, you write 3 plus 4 to eliminate. Okay, you'll get to know as we do this. 3 minus 4 means equation 3 value minus equation 4 means here, if it is plus, the sign will change to minus. If this now minus 4, so if this is minus, it will change to plus. This is plus now, so it will change to minus. So minus means signs of this lower equation will reverse, will change, opposite. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So now this has, now that's the meaning of 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 means minus, like this bracket. So minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus. That's the meaning. But just to make it easy for you to solve it, just remember, change the sign plus to minus, minus to plus. If this plus, change to minus. If this minus, change to plus. So now use that one now. So this is no longer plus 2x but minus 2x. So we know minus 2x and this one is still plus, so plus 2x is 0. So that is eliminated. That's the meaning of elimination by equating. So that becomes 0 means they will get eliminated. Then this is no longer minus, this is plus 3y plus 2y is plus 5y. So you write that. To that equal, then 10, this is no longer plus minus, 10 minus 4 is plus 6. So that way you have eliminated x and you can now find out y. Y is equal to 6 by 5. Right, 6 by 5. Then next, see the answer for the back. 3.4, okay. 3.4 B1, 6 by 5, that's correct. Now, to find the other one, x, putting this value you found 6 by 5 in 1 or 2, that's up to you, that's your choice. But choose the one is simpler here. 1x plus 1y equal to 5 and 2, 3, 4. So this simpler seems to be simpler. So let us put in 1. Even if we put in 2, we'll get the same answer anyway. But we're choosing which seems to be slightly easier. So x plus, and this y, now we got here. So in place of this y, we put 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Okay, now we can keep the term x alone on one side. This 5 is same. Now you shift this plus 6 by 5 to right side, become minus 6 by 5. So that will be equal to 5 5s are 25 minus, as you can see here, and this 6 will remain same. Since we have multiplied long line, since we multiplied up to here, divide by the LCM, 5. And 25 minus 6 we know is 19 divided by 5. So we have here now by elimination method the required solution, or solution means answer, is this one. X value 6 by 5, y value 19 by 5. So these are the answers for x and y. Okay, now let us go to subheading 2. I hope you're getting it. The subheading 2 is B1 subheading 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. So x term first, y term second place, and then number constants on the right side. So that's fine. So let's put this one as equation number 1. Then 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, so this is the second equation. So if we can simplify, then you can simplify also. So if you divide all this by 2, or that will give you 2 into x minus y. 2 common factor will go out, then 2. Then this 2, you can write now x minus y is equal to 2. This 2 shifted will go down here. So 2 and 2 cancel, 1, 1. So our second equation can be simplified as x minus y equal to 1 if you want. So this is equation number 2, let us say. First equation we just write because there is no common factor to take out. And the second, we took out the common factor. It makes it simpler, right? So now you take the coefficients of x like we did in the previous case. We have to equate and eliminate. So equate means choose the x1. And the x coefficients are 3 here, and here is no number means 1. Y coefficients, you can see 4, and here 1. Now you can choose to equate x coefficients or y. That's completely up to you. Both will be correct. But choosing simpler one is easier. Maybe 3 and 1 will be simpler. So let's just choose the x again. So we're going to do for x. Then the LCM is 3, 1 is 3 LCM. So this 3 here, 3 1s are 3 LCM. So 1 will multiply equation 1. Then it will equate and allow us to eliminate. So n. The next one is here 1. No number means 1. 1. 3s are 3. So 3 that will multiply all of equation number 2. Every term in equation number 2. So if you do that 1 into 1, so 1 will multiply means this will remain same. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Let us put this as equation 3. Next, 3 will multiply all these 3 terms of equation number 2. So 3 into x, 3x. 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 1, 3. So that way we have got the x coefficients equated, means equal in absolute value, 3 and 3. So we can now eliminate. As we said in the first time, if both of the equated coefficients now have same sign plus plus, we do 3 minus 4. If they are different sign plus and minus or minus and plus, 3 plus 4. If we come across, we'll do it. Okay. So 3 minus 4 means the sign of all this lower equation 4 will change. If it was plus, the plus will become now change to minus. That's the meaning of 3 minus 4. Minus will change to plus. And this plus will become minus. So with this, we can now eliminate. So minus is now here in front of 3. So minus 3x plus 3x is 0. That means that's the meaning of elimination. Eliminate means remove. Plus 3y plus 4y is plus 7y. Then 10, now it's minus 3 is plus 7. So your y value will become 7 divided by this 7 will come to denominator. So 7 ones are 7. So y is 1. So we have to now solve for y, putting y is equal to 1 in equation. Which one you like, you can put. 1 is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. 2 is x minus y equal to 1. So this looks simpler. So maybe in equation number 1, even if you were to put in 2, you will get the same answer for x. Okay, so it's up to you. But putting in simpler one would be easier. So x minus your y, in place of y now we're going to put this y equal to 1. And here same 1. Now that gives you x is equal to here 1. If you shift this minus 1 to right side, it will become plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the required equation this time will be therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Let's see the book answer. X equal to 2, yes. That's correct. Now let's go to the third one. Start with the third one. the subheading, the third one is here 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. Now, there is no hard and fast rule here, but we have decided to do a pattern, isn't it? As we did with the first, as we did start doing the first one, we decided to put the term containing x first, the term containing y in the second place, after that equal, and then every number means a constant numbers on the right side, so minus 4 shifted to right side. So that way we have equation 1. X in the first place, x term in the first place, y term in the second, numbers and constants, everything on the right. So that's arranged. That way that allows us to eliminate in this fashion. That's why we're saying. Otherwise it's not a hard and fast rule, okay? Now next, and 9x, the second equation is 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So this also needs rearrangement, because the x terms is okay, but you have to shift this plus 2y to left side to make it a second place like this, first and second. And this 7 no need to shift, x term first place, y term second, the numbers on the right side, so the pattern is matching. Okay, that makes it easier for us to solve. Now you can choose the x and y coefficient and choose which one we're going to do. So let us do that. Now if we were to choose x coefficients in equation 1, x coefficient means in front of x is 3, in front of x here is 9. Their LCM is 3 and 9 is 9 LCM, and y 5 and here 2. Their LCM is 10. So you can equate whichever one you like. Okay, so here maybe we can equate this time y, even though you can choose x also, nothing wrong. So if you choose y, then you're going to choose this one, this and this. So take this one. 5, how much is 10? Therefore, you find out 5 2s are 10 the LCM. So let the 2 multiply equation 1. And you've taken this, now go to here. 2, how much is 10? Yes, 2 5s are 10. So let 5 multiply everything of equation 2, then this 2 will become equal. 5, 2 5s are 10. 5 2s are 10, so this 2 will become 10, equated, allowing us for elimination or to eliminate. When we do this, 2 will now multiply every term in 1, so this is 1. 2 3s are 6x minus 2 5s are 10y, and then 2 4s are 8. So this is question 3. And then next one, 5, question number 2, 5 9s are 45. So 5 will multiply all these. 5 2s are 10y, 5 7s are 35. So equation number 4. And put a dash. Now the equated coefficient as we see is y, because we have chosen to do so. Equated means the absolute value is same now, 10 and 10. As we said, if both are minus, we do 3 minus 4. If both of them were plus plus also, we would have done 3 minus 4. If this was minus and plus, we would have done 3 plus 4. 1 plus 1 minus, or 1 minus 1 plus of the equated coefficient will do plus. I think there is no sum like the last one we'll see. Okay, just wait. If we see then the plus, we have not done yet the plus type, but it's quite easy now. Same thing only. Plus means this is going to be minus, because both are same sign means plus, and plus means it will be 3 minus 4. Both are plus plus or both minus minus, same 3 minus 4. So minus means the every term in the second equation 4, not 3, the lower equation will change. So this is plus, so it will now change to minus. Minus will change to plus. Plus here, so it will change to minus. So here minus 45 and plus 6. Minus 45 bigger we put up, and smaller one plus 6. So subtract, because minus plus means subtract. 15 minus 6 is 9. 1 taken here to make 15, so here only 3 left. So sign should be the bigger absolute value sign. So bigger absolute value is 45 bigger than 6. So sign is minus, means here also minus. So 6 minus 45x is minus 39x, not plus. And here plus 10y and minus 10y is now 0. Plus and minus is 0. Plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Same thing, right? So minus 1 is minus, 1 is plus. The number equal means eliminated. So after that, 0 don't need to write, so equal to. Here bigger absolute value is 35. The sign it carrying is now minus. Here no sign means plus 8, smaller one down. Minus plus means again subtract, so 15 minus 8, 7. 1 is taken to make 15 here, so only 2 left. Bigger absolute value 35. The sign is minus, so the answer should have the same sign as that of the bigger absolute value and not lower one. Okay, so minus 27. This minus and minus can cancel. So that implies, because minus this side can cancel of both equals on the equal sides. Then x equal to 27, and this 39, if you shift to right side, will go to denominator. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Using 3 we cancel means you're getting 9 by 13. It's the same as book answer. Yes, 9 by 13. Thus we need to find for y. So write these things on your graph, okay? So putting this value x equal to 9 by 13 in equation 1 or 2, that's up to you. But it's better to choose the simpler one. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, equation 1. 9x minus 2y equal to 7. This looks more simpler, 1. So I'm going to put it in 1. As I've been saying, even if we were to put it in 2, you would get the same answer for y. Okay. But we're choosing the simpler one, which seems simpler. So 3 into x in place of x. Now we're going to put 9 by 13. The next is minus, so write minus 5y. So just write 5y equal to here 4. Right like that. Then 3 9s are 27 divided by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. So take the term containing y on one side, same, then you shift every number to the same side, plus, no sign means plus will go to the side, minus 27 by 13. So next, you cannot cancel this minus and minus now, we have to solve it first, right? Minus 5y is equal to 4 into 13 is 52, as we can see here. Then minus here 27, same number, long line because we have multiplied up to here, divided by LCM 13. So that gives us minus 5y is equal to plus 52. No sign is plus, minus, smaller one always down. And as I said, plus minus means we have to subtract. So 12 minus 7 is 5. 1 is taken here to make 12 here, so 4 only left. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bigger number absolute is 52, so sign is plus here, also plus. So 25 divided by 13. Now we know that if we don't want to find minus y, we want to find plus y, so maybe we can as well change it from here. Change the minus 5y to plus 5. And every sign on everywhere on the other side will change, so plus will become now minus 25 by 13. Okay, so next here, y, you just write it like that. Then minus 25 by this 13, you can write it here, and if you shift this 5, go down to the denominator, so it will come in here. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So we're going to get y equal to minus 5 by 13. I hope it's the same answer. Yes, minus 5 by 13. So our final solution would be, therefore the required solution means the answer for x and y. X is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, minus 5 by 13. Okay, like that. One more left. Okay, so here one more left. So here number 4, b1 subheading 4. So x by 2, this is a little bit different, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to 1. This is minus 1. This is equation number 1. Then next one, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3, equation number 2. Now this one, numbers are in the denominator also. So if we're going to do that, we're not going to do the LCM method. Okay, LCM also possible, but another method is going to be the reciprocal method. Also can equate. See here, reciprocal means reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. If we multiply them, we're always going to get 1 equal, right? So this looks simpler. 1 here, 1 by 2, and here 1. Coefficient of x here is 1 by 2, here 1. In front of x here, no number means 1 by 2. Here coefficient of x is 1 by 2, comma 1, no number. Then y coefficients are here 2 by 3, comma here is no number means 1, so 1 by 3. Definitely x coefficient looks simpler, but I want to choose this time just to show something. Okay, so here let us take this. Already arrange x in the first place, x term, y term number, x term first place, y term second, number third place on the right side. So if you choose y, you can choose x also, same answer will come out, but I want to choose that for showing a point, okay, for stressing a point. So here reciprocal means if numbers are up and down, it is like in a fraction form. Easier way to go is by reciprocal method. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? Yes, 3 by 2. So multiply the reciprocal of the coefficient of y we have chosen and multiply that to that equation 1. And what is the number here? 1 by 3. As you can see here, 1, no number. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? Yes, 3 by 1. Which means we can simply say 3. Let that multiply. Reciprocal of 1 by 3, 3 by 1 multiplied, equation 2. Then both of these will become 1, okay, equal. Because we know a number multiplied to its reciprocal is always, everything cancelled in 1. So here, 3 by 2 into this means, multiplied 1 means 3 by 2 will multiply all these 3. So 3 ones are 3 divided by 2 2s are numerator will multiply numerator, denominator 2 will multiply denominator, 2 2s are 4. So 3 by 4x plus 3 2s are so here. So next here 3 by 2 will multiply this one. So 3 by 2 multiply to 2 by 3y. So this 3 3 2 2 cancel, so only y left, means 1y. Then here plus into minus, minus 1 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. That's equation number 3. Then 3 will multiply this equation 2 everywhere, all these 3 terms. 3 ones are 3x minus, as you can see. Then this 3 multiply to this y by 3, then this 3 3 cancel means only y. See, multiplying by reciprocal, now you have equated, both have become 1, equal 1y, 1y. So equal to here, 3 3s are 9. 3 will multiply this, this. 3 by 2 will multiply this, and we got this. 3 will multiply this, and we got this. Equation number 4. Now this time, the equated is y. See, 1y, 1y. So to eliminate now, as we have been saying so far, this is what I wanted to show. See here. If both are plus, we don't write, okay? Now 3 minus 4. If both are minus also, we do 3 minus 4. But if one is plus and the other is minus like this, we do, to eliminate, we do 3 plus 4. Now 3 minus 4 means plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus. But now 3 plus 4 means everything will remain same, nothing will change. Means it will remain as it is, 3 plus 4. So means this plus this plus this, and this plus this. So now the signs are not going to change. So plus y original sign minus y, it will become 0. eliminate. So if both are opposite sign to 3 plus 4, they'll eliminate automatically. Then next, this one here, we write 3 by 4x. Then here no sign means plus 3x. This plus this, this plus this, that's the meaning of 3 plus 4. Then equal. Then minus 3 by 2. We're doing this because we cannot add or subtract 3 by 2 to 9 directly. It's in the form of fraction. No sign means plus. So we have to solve this and get the value of x. So let us go and do that. So here 3x we write and plus, as you can see. Then 4 3s are 12x. Long line, because we have multiplied, divided by LCM is 4, is equal to, likewise this also, minus 3 plus 2 9s are 18. Since multiplied, long line, because we multiplied up to here, divided by LCM 2. Now let us solve. 3x plus 12x is 15x. Common sense, divided by 4 is equal to plus 18, bigger one up, minus 3 smaller, absolutely down. So subtract, because plus minus means subtract. So here 8 minus 3 is 5, 1 here. Bigger sign is plus, so here also plus. So minus 3 plus 18 is plus 15 divided by 2. Then we want to find x, so keep this x alone. Then 5 by 12. If you shift this 5 by 14 to the other side, then the down denominator will go up and numerator 15 will come down. 4 will go up, 15 will come down when you shift to the right side. That way this 15 cancel and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, so x is equal to 2 by 1 means 2. So to find y, putting this x equal to 2 in equation 1 or 2, it's up to you. Which one looks simpler for you? You can choose maybe 2 we can take. So take 2 in equation 2. As I've been saying, even if you were to put in 1, you will get the same value for y. It will not be changing. So it's like x means here this 2 will replace the x here, minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now let us take this term containing the y minus y by 3 alone on one side. This one same place, and this plus 2, no sign in front means plus. This minus does not belong to 2, it belongs to the y by 3 in front sign. So this is the here. Plus 2 go to the side, minus 2. Then here, minus y by 3 is equal to 3 minus 2 is plus 1. As we continue, we're going to get here y by 3. We don't want minus, so change it to plus, because we want value for y, not minus y. Then this sign plus will change to minus. If you change on one side, everything sign will change on the other side also. So y is equal to, don't move this y, and denominator will go up and multiply this 1, so plus into minus, minus 3 1s are 3. So y is equal to minus 3. See whether the answer is same or not. Yes, y is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 2. So we can write our final answer. Therefore, the required solution here, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. So we have completed the elimination method. The next class, I think we can do the substitution method for this same question. As I said before we go to the next class, elimination method means choose the coefficient of either x or y, anyone you like, but choose the smaller numbers will be easier, okay? And do it by LCM method. But if it is fractions like this, do by reciprocal method. And another point to keep is, once you equate, if the equated one has opposite sign like this, plus and minus, we do 3 plus 4 to eliminate. If both have same sign, plus and plus or minus and minus, we do 3 minus 4 to eliminate. Okay, I hope that is clear to us. Okay, so next class.